Just take a moment, but still very happy. A brand ambassador of the 10th edition and somebody, we're obviously talking a lot about 2024, but go back to 2007 because Rohit Sharma was a part of each and every edition of the ICC World T20. A young Rohit Sharma who won it as a player in 2007 and then in 2024 as a captain. I'm sure the memories are running and jogging right into your head, Rohit. But tell us, after the long celebrations out there on the field finished, and you went back into the dressing room when the dust settled for you, for Virat, for Rahul Dravid, for Jaddu, what was that moment of realization that afternoon?
Firstly, good evening, everyone. I would, from the bottom of my heart, like to thank ICC, Jay for, it's a huge honor to be an ambassador of an ICC organization. And I was told by somebody just now that while playing, nobody has been announced as an ambassador of ICC. So it's a great privilege for me. And a great honor as well. Very thankful, very grateful. Hopefully, we can create again a magic that we created last year, with a different bunch of boys this time around. But yes, it's a huge task to win an ICC trophy. I have seen that personally as well with all these years. I've completed 18 years playing international cricket, and I've been fortunate enough to have won 2 recently, and then 2 at the very beginning of my career, and then in the middle it was a huge drought where we couldn't win an ICC trophy. And I know how desperate we were as players, as team, as management to go and win that trophy. But to finally come out and win those trophies feels good. You can see, around the country how happiness, the amount of happiness that is spread with the sport that we play. So yes, that's one thing. But now to sit on the other side and watch the T20 World Cup, having played all the World Cups and not being there now, will feel a little different. But now I'm getting used to sitting at home and watching a few games. So yeah, so it's a little different, but I'm enjoying.
Sitting at home, sitting in the stadium, watching the women win. I will come to that in a moment. But thank you, Jai, because this is obviously special for Rohit for bestowing this honor. This is very special for the fans. Big thank you to you. We will be in conversation with Rohit and the other champions shortly from now. But if I could request you to please get ready for the lamp lighting as we take this evening forward. And just the right moment for us to quickly recap the venues where we are going to be witnessing that celebration of possibilities, as Mr. Sanjay Gupta mentioned a short while earlier. It will be traveling to 7 beautiful cities. There are 8 venues. There are 20 teams that will come out dreaming. And there will be that one trophy and that title up for grabs. The Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi, the iconic, the oldest in the country, the Eden Gardens in Kolkata, the M.A. Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai, the biggest cricket stadium in the world in the West, Narendra Modi Stadium, the Wankhede in Mumbai, and then to the picturesque city up in the hills, Pallikele International Stadium in Kandy, the R. Premadasa and Celilis Sports Club in Colombo, the venues for the ICC Men's T20 World Cup for 2026. ICC titles sitting right here. Rohit Sharma, Harmanpreet Kaur, two fearless captains. Harman, good evening. Welcome.
Good evening. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for inviting me here and making me part of this big occasion. Means a lot.
It meant a lot to the country. It meant a lot to women's cricket. The revolution that you've sparked secured almost the future. It's been about a month, and we've seen that Harman has been very busy in that month. Have you found a moment to yourself, Harman, to just sit in peace and realize what you and your team have accomplished?
It's been a month now, but whenever I'm trying, let me now calm myself, relax myself. But I think koi na koi aage, they just keep reminding me, keep telling me what just happened, and then how excited they are. Because a few minutes back, Rohit was telling, how frustrated he was when he was not, even though he won when his first T20 World Cup, but still, that wait. Imagine how many years we waited and how frustrated we were, and finally when we have achieved that, and it's mean a lot. And abhi bhi, just thinking that still want to keep us moment saying like I don't want to come out. I think that is something, it's so special, and day and night it's just running in mind.
None of us want to come out of that moment. But I'll tell you about this man here, because the night before the final, we met him at a gathering, and he told Dinesh Karthik that I want to be there tomorrow at the final because I want to see India win a World Cup on home soil. I want to feel that moment. And when we were leaving, this is what he did. Tomorrow. This is what Rohit did. And Rohit, you were there, and it was a game that had all the emotional ups and downs. How was it sitting in the balcony and watching this?
No, it's watching from the outside is not as tough as it is inside. But I know what they've gone through all these years. I can understand the emotion. I can understand the feeling of going through that setbacks year after year and not winning the World Cup. So I understand how it feels. So while I was there, I could see the happiness amongst everyone, and that's the moment you live for. That's the moment you work so hard for, to go and win that and be there. Playing the finals and going on to winning the finals. I'm sure a lot of process, a lot of hard work has went in before that World Cup started, and I know along the tournament you still go through a lot of ups and downs. I was just asking her about after the England game, the coach had a pretty I know Amol Muzumdar really well because I played cricket with him. He was my first captain when I made my debut for Mumbai, and I understand him and I know him really well. So I was just asking Harman about was he calm, was he cool during the tournament, but I was not surprised to hear the answer from Harman. But that's Amol, and he's very passionate about the game. He's very passionate about the team. He's just, in general, he's very passionate. So I can even though I was not there, but I could feel it, what happened in that dressing room after that England game. But it's all in positive way, because he wants the team to do well and he wants the players to do well. But for them to just lift that trophy at the end of the day, watching there, I was there to watch that, was a great feeling in itself, not just for me, but the entire nation who was watching it on television or who were there at the ground as well. I could understand what it must have gone through to go through and finally to lift that trophy.
Now is not the moment, maybe later in the conversation, because all we heard from them was Amol just doing you. We will see and explore if we can get into the details of that. But for now, these are two who have handled and carried the weight of expectations. But there is one now who is going to have to do that, and he's done a great job so far. So I think we've got another world champion already here, and we'll be wishing him luck as the captain. So let's set the stone. Unfortunately, we've only got a 180-degree platform for him to play here, but Surya Kumar Yadav will still be joining us on the stage. Good evening, Surya.
Good evening.
Is that okay, right? I mean, 180 is enough.
Yeah.
There's no 360. I mean, you can. There are people over there as well, the tech crew, which is eagerly waiting to hear what you've going on. When I saw that little thing when Mr. Gupta was on the stage and he said, we're hoping, Surya and his team are going to go. Is it now just feeling a lot more real? I know you've been prepping for the last year and a bit. You just come at the back of series. You've got 10 more games, but today with this formalizing and the announcement, is it feeling a lot more real now?
Good evening, everyone. I mean, it's a lot of challenge going into the T20 World Cup. I am very excited to be leading this team at the same time. It's going to be a lot of fun. But yeah, it gives me a lot of motivation looking at that trophy. When we reached West Indies, and every time we were having that national anthem, we used to eye this silverware every single time, and we thought as soon as final comes, we have to win this trophy. And after seeing it again so close, it gives me a lot of motivation. That too, playing in India, I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
And you played your incredible part at long off, Surya Kumar Yadav. For that moment, we can have a big round of applause.